Hey guys, this is Harsha from TechFest, and it's been a while. We came out with a new video and it's been a long while. So today we are here unboxing the Realme C11. This is the new budget range smartphone released by Realme, and it has already completed its first sale with good response. So let's get started. So this is the Realme C1, and let's grab this cute little knife and cut through the packaging. On the back we find the 5000 mAh battery, the screen, Helios G35 gaming processor, and 13MP AI dual camera. As it reads over here, it's model number, made in India, everything else. Okay. On this side we find the manufactured by Oppo Mobiles India in Noida. Okay, it's a made in India smartphone, or let's say assembled in India smartphone. Okay, let's put this to aside and let's go through the box. Oh, it's so tight. Okay. Hey, welcome to the Realme family. Yeah, inside that we get the SIM ejector, some documentation. Under that we get the mobile itself. They did not include a case to it. Sad, but since it's a budget range, we can't complain about it. Okay, we'll set this device to the side and we'll look at it later. Further we go into the box, we get a micro USB to mic USB-A cable. Yeah, it's a micro USB device, and this adapter right here, you can find it's rated at 5 volts 2 amperes. It means it's a 10 watt charger. It's a standard charger. That's it. We don't get anything else in the box. Okay, let me clear this off and come back to you. So here we are back with the phone, and the phone's back itself feels a bit premium because the gradient design and the strip over here, which is smooth and it reads out Realme, and the dual camera setup. Though the back is polycarbonate, it gives a good look. To the right side we have the power button and the volume rockers. To the top we have nothing. And to the left side we have the SIM tray, which supports dual SIM and a micro SD card, which means the triple slot. And here at the bottom we find the micro USB port, the speaker grill, the microphone, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. Overall, this device feels premium for the budget it came. For around 7,500 rupees. The design's great. So let's power it on. Let me go real quick with the settings, and I'll show you how the UI looks after it's completely booted up. Let me list out the specs for you. So that we are booted up, let's get started. The mics are loud. Okay, I don't know. Okay, the display feels quite good because it's got a full HD display. It's like, let's say 720 pixels and mid of 1080 pixels, and now let's check for any bloatware on this, that any banned apps or the things which shouldn't be here. Okay, yeah, we have the Hello app and it can be removed. phone manager. It's powered by Clean Master, I guess, because I know, yeah, it uses Avast and 360. Okay. Initial impressions of the screen, the quality looks good, the feedback is good. Moreover, the color gamut is pretty nice, and it still shows up here, uninstall. Okay, here we should be uninstalling it. And yeah, that's pretty much about it. Let's go to the settings and see what versions are running on it. About phone, yeah, here we are version 1, Android version 10. See, yeah, and it's an octa-core processor. We have 19.3 GB available out of 32 GB. This means almost 12 GB of data is took by the phone. Then I don't think it's good, because 12 GB of your data is already gone. It's just like 20 GB, not even 20, it's just 19. I don't think that this is gonna be good enough, but with the option of adding a micro SD card, this could help you get out. Speaking of the camera we get here, it's a 13 megapixel primary shooter and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. Into the camera app we have 3 options over here. It's the 1x zoom, it's the 2x, and it's the 4x. Okay, the 4x is probably a digital zoom. Everything is a digital zoom, so I think, yeah, the 1x. And we have video in night mode. Let's see what the video is capable of. We'll see what resolution is coming through. The video is set to 1080p and it shoots 30 frames, and its 720p is also there, present there. Okay, and in the photo we go to settings and we see nothing over here. Touch to take photo. These are some normal features. Okay, this is something. This is the beautification filter over here. I think that's how much level of beautification you need on your photo. That's the thing. And here we have some option called chroma boost. I think now you can see this. So it shows chroma boost. Let's see what this is capable of, and in a little while. And we also have the HDR, the flash, timer, and we also can change the frame sizes to full, 16:9 and 4:3. Okay, let's go to portrait mode and check out some portrait shots over here. So keeping this here, I'll try to get a portrait shot of this. Yeah, the focus point is not adequate. The depth sensor does a decent job, but it does not serve the purpose actively. Okay, I think so. I got this one. But looking at the picture quality, see, some of the part of this car toy is already blurred. Only the frontal part, which was close to the camera, has the detail. So the depth sensor does not work properly, and it doesn't seem to give adequate results out there. And we have more. We have time lapse, Google Lens, Expert, and Pro mode. We can alter almost all the settings: autofocus, exposure, white balance, shutter speed, and ISO. We have a thing called night mode. Okay, let's turn off the lights and check it. In this night mode, I'm trying to take the picture of the same thing, and it's taking a 3 seconds time to process the image, and we'll see the picture was not taken good. Let me show you some slides of the pictures taken from this camera. and let me know in the comments what do you think about this camera. Is it worthy enough for 7,500 rupees to offering a 13 megapixel camera on this phone? So okay, here we are testing the video quality of this Realme C11 on the main camera. As you can see, it doesn't have any stabilization or electronic stabilization. You are listening through the microphone of the C11. Let's see how fast it shifts focus. And now from here, let's take it here. It takes a bit of time, but it works out. Okay, now let's try the selfie camera. Okay, the camera is now running on 1080 pixels, 30 frames, and still it doesn't have any stabilization. The front camera is of 5 megapixels and you are listening the audio through the C11. Let us know how satisfied you are with this at the price range of 7,500 for this phone. So coming to the YouTube playbacks, we have the maximum setting option only up to 720 pixels out here. The display seems quite good and responses. For the 720 pixel screen we are getting over here, the picture quality is quite watchable, and for an entry level smartphone this is great. Let's check out how good the speakers are.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
So guys, that wraps up the video of the Realme C11 unboxing and initial impressions. If you want to know anything more about this device, like its gaming performances, camera, in detail review, whatnot, just ask us in the comment section below and we'll make it for you. Thank you for watching guys, and if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button down there because it's free. Also don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified when something new shows up here. All the news and the details posted here are also posted on our Instagram handle, for which the links are given down below. This is Harsha signing off. Meet you in the next one.